Hey everybody, hope you're doing great today. Today's video, I want to take you through a tour of the homes that are available here in Cincinnati, Ohio. So specifically when I'm looking at these homes, I'm looking at homes that are in the $100,000 price range. So as I'm going to show here shortly, I set my search parameters on my website to search for homes between $90,000 to $130,000. So it kind of covers the range, gives you an idea of what kind of homes are available. So Cincinnati is a lower cost of living area compared to some of your large cities. Traffic isn't as bad, still plenty of things to do, connected to a lot of the other larger cities. You can get to Chicago from here 4 or 5 hours. You can get to Louisville in about 2 hours. Columbus, Ohio, also not too far from here. So plenty of things to do inside Cincinnati. But if you also want to travel for a short period of time to a larger city, those options are available here too. So plenty of employers here, large employers. So jobs shouldn't be too hard to find here as well. So I'm going to be doing a series of these videos where today's video I'm going to cover $100,000 price range, and then in the future I'll go up in price range just to show you the different variety of houses we have available in those different price ranges. Now what we see here today in this video you might not necessarily find if you come to my website, which I will link to down in the section below, in the comments below as well too. So my website gets MLS results from both Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky area, which I'm a member of the boards in both of those. So just for today, I'm just going to focus on Cincinnati. In a future video, I may focus on Northern Kentucky as well, but the price ranges are pretty similar between the Cincinnati and the Northern Kentucky side. So what we're looking at are homes that are on the market as of today. And due to the way the rules work, our MLS rules, I'm not allowed to advertise these specific homes. So I'm just going to be showing these homes generally. I'm not going to mention any addresses, not going to show any addresses. But if you do have any questions about these homes, you want some more information on them, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I'll put my contact information down below. So let's take a look. So with this, I set the search up, as I noted, from 90,000 to 130,000. And I'm primarily going to focus on, if you can see here in the map, this 275 loop. So this is kind of the core area of Cincinnati. Now this here south of the river over here, south of the Ohio River, that's Northern Kentucky. So for today's video, I'm not going to be looking at Northern Kentucky, just the greater Cincinnati area and then this 275 loop over here. So 275 does go into Indiana here a little bit, and it also goes into Northern Kentucky over here. But taking a look at these homes here, 42 properties listed as of today, October 9th, 2024. Variety of different properties. Yes, you can find properties priced below 90,000. Generally in those cases, you're going to find that their condition is not the greatest. And even some of these, there's still some condition issues. Some of the comments indicate that conventional loan might pass. I believe one home in here that I looked at, it did state that FHA and VA loan will not work. So possibly a conventional loan. Otherwise, you're looking at some sort of rehab loan where you're basically borrowing money to not only buy the home, but also to fix it up, make it nice and livable for yourself. So let's take a look at the first home over here. So here's a description for this home. They note it's a cozy home just 10 minutes from downtown, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, newly updated mechanics, move-in ready rooms. Fantastic opportunity for owner-occupied or add to your rental portfolio. So based on the price of these, a number of listing agents will mention that these properties could be used as rental properties. For the homes that I'm showing more on the basis of owner-occupied, not for investors. So my commentary will be related to such. So let's take a look at the full-size photos over here. So the home looks decent. This is the kitchen. It's a little bit dated, but at a price of $119,000, still not a bad deal. Similarly dated bathroom. Shower could use some updates as well too. One of the bedrooms. Another angle of the bedroom. This looks a little narrow in the bathroom over here. Another bedroom. Back porch, side porch. There's the backyard area. Decent sized yard. Air compressor unit. Basement. Looks dry. As with any of these homes, I always recommend a home inspection. Bring in a professional inspector. Have everything checked out from top to bottom. And if the inspector mentions, hey, you need to look further into this, such as, for example, look further into the HVAC, look further into foundation, bring in those experts too, hire those experts and get the home thoroughly checked out, as this homes can be very expensive to own and very expensive to maintain or repair. So by catching those issues beforehand, you can always pass on a house if you don't think it's worth what they're asking for it. It's going to cost more to do the repairs. So always pass on those homes if you don't feel comfortable with it. Versus other homes that meet your criterias, you could go with those. It's like an updated electrical panel. So let's go on to the second home. So this home in particular is a condo. It's got a good view of the downtown area and on the smaller side, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. They note it's a beautifully updated 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo. Features fresh paint, new flooring, brand new appliances, move-in ready living space. Got an oversized balcony, 1 assigned parking space, and they've got an HOA that covers trash, water, pool access, and some more. Let's take a quick look at the HOA fee. So the HOA fee right here, $236.50 paid monthly. Let's take a look at the photos. So here's the view from the condo. Exterior view of the building. Hallway. Looks like a family room or living room. Bathroom looks decently updated. Bedroom also looks nice. Good view, as they note. That little backyard there as well too. Little balcony port. This is the balcony area. Looks like they've got exterior storage there as well for storing things that don't need to be stored inside. Covered parking spot. Here's some of the amenities, the community features, a pool. So let's go on to the next property. So in this one, they specifically note investment opportunity in the Westwood area, near Cincinnati State, Clifton campus, and the University of Cincinnati. Well-maintained 2 bedroom, 1 bath, single family home. Almost 1,000 square foot. The updates include flooring, windows. It's tenant occupied, so they also note it's being sold as is. Even if they're selling as is, that doesn't mean you can't do your inspections, you can't take a look at things. You can always ask for repairs too if the seller is selling as is. Worst they could say is, we're selling as is, take it as is. But as long as you're within your inspection period, if you decide this home's not for you, you can always walk away, have your agent prepare the cancellation, and move on from there. So let's take a look at the photos. Entryway looks nice. Decent landscaping. Looks like they got a little parking pad there so you can park off street. Floors looked updated here. Dining area. Living room, dining room area. Kitchen. Kitchen looks updated. Appliances look recent. Not brand new, but they look recent. Being a rental property, one of the questions I would ask is, who owns the appliances? Some of the appliances are provided by the property owner for the tenant's use. Other appliances might be owned by a tenant. So upon closing, the tenant's obviously going to take their appliances, and the new owner would be responsible for making sure that they bring in any appliances that they need as well. More pictures of the kitchen. Here's one of the bedrooms. Another bedroom. Bathroom area. Unfinished basement. Backyard, deck area. Property's on a little bit of a slope. Here's the next property. Many updates have been recently done, including new LVT flooring, new carpeting, updated cabinets, countertops, some updates to the plumbing. Priced at $99,900. Definitely needs some updates and some work here to the flooring. Kitchen looks okay. Obviously needs some paint over there. Could do some new cabinets. The pictures, it's kind of hard to tell the cabinets. They don't look too bad though. New carpeting on the stairs, new carpeting upstairs. Bathroom definitely could use some updates, some repairs there. Need some paint in this room here. Basement area. Furnace looks a little older. Water heater also looks older. So there's some issues with this home. I don't think there's any deal breakers in there that's going to cancel conventional mortgage or even an FHA or a VA mortgage. Even though this house is in need of some updates, it should be able to meet their standards. Let's take a look at another home. This is another property, $100,000 exact. They note great addition to your rental portfolio, fully remodeled, new floor, appliances, HVAC, laundry hookups, paint. Basement could be a potential another bedroom. Let's take a look at the pictures. Could use some yard work. Kitchen, it looks like it has some newer appliances. Cabinets look in decent shape too. Flooring as well looks not too old. Their first floor room looks like. Could be a bedroom. Bathroom looks okay. Looks like they did some paint. Not sure what updates they might have done here. Sink looks newer. Cabinets look newer. But for $100,000, not too bad. Looks like they painted the basement. Furnace and water heater don't look too bad. Here's another property for $107,900. Savvy investors, flippers, landlords, and cash and other buyers looking for your next project. So they mentioned cash and other buyers. So based on the condition, while we can't see, we'll take a look here at the pictures soon, we can't really see what issues there might be. So also, while the home inspection does protect you, I recommend every buyer go and walk through the home as well prior to making an offer. That way you can see the condition of the home. Is it something you can live in? If you've got the skills for doing your own repairs, is it something you can take on? Or if not, do you think the cost is going to be too much when you move into the home? Yard could use some work. Floors look new. New paint. Same over here. Kitchen looks like this is the kitchen area. Definitely would need some appliances here. Doesn't look like there's any appliances currently included. Bathroom's been updated. Basement area. Furnace looks newer. Same with the water heater. So it's possible this could qualify for a FHA or VA mortgage. I'm not entirely sure without seeing the home in person. There might be some other issues, something else going on. Looks like they did paint the house. They did put in new flooring. That is a plus for this one. Let's take a look at the next home. This is a ranch home, perfect for the handy homeowner or investor looking for income opportunities. Low maintenance brick exterior, eat-in kitchen, flat yard. So obviously this needs some work, as they note, perfect for the handy homeowner. Yard could use some work. It's got a garage there for parking, additional storage. Definitely needs paint. Looks like the ceiling needs to be redone. Floors need refinishing. Baseboards as well look like they could use some work. Kitchen could use some updates. Definitely needs a coat of paint. Bathrooms probably functional, but definitely needs an update. Big backyard. couple of steps to walk out to the backyard, fenced backyard as well. There's another home, 115,000, 114,900. Recently renovated with new flooring throughout. Kitchen cabinets and countertops, vanity, blinds, ceiling fan, and has been freshly painted. Separate laundry room with pull-down stairs for storage. Landscaping looks in better condition compared to some of the other homes. Decent kitchen area. Kitchen definitely looks updated. Laundry room area, water heater there looks older, so I'd expect to replace that sometime in the near future. Looks like a bedroom area. Bathroom looks to be updated as well. This is the last home we'll look at. It's a handyman special featuring 5 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, asking $129,900. Detached 2-car garage with attached cover storage. You can park in the garage or park in a long driveway. They state it's not suitable for FHA or VA financing. Looks like it has 2 front doors there, so I'm wondering if this were a duplex at one point in time. Definitely needs some work on the front porch there. Fireplace needs some painting. The house itself also needs some painting. The room right over here. Floor looks okay. Could use some refinishing though. Definitely need painting here. Kitchen definitely could use some updating. Not sure if those cabinets were painted that way or what. It's a little different look than I've seen in the past, but definitely could use some updates. Bathroom also needs some updates. It's a rental property in the past and didn't really update it after the tenants moved out. Definitely the house needs repainting on the interior. Floors here need to be taken care of. Looks like there's some missing planks in that floor there. Looks like the rear deck could use some work. There's 2-car garage as well as covered storage right next to it. Driveway looks pretty big, yard looks pretty big. Definitely needs some work, but for $129,900, depending on the extent of the work needed, a rehab home loan might be helpful. So that gives you a basic idea of the homes that are available in the greater Cincinnati area, priced in and around the $100,000 range. But definitely homes that you could get into without having to do any work. They had a few move-in ready homes over there. On the other side though, if you do have the handy skills, you're comfortable doing the work yourself, there's plenty of homes in there where you could move into, probably livable as you get in there on day one. And as you make the updates, as you make repairs, you're increasing the value of your home over time, and so you're building some equity over there. So some great options in the $100,000 price range in the greater Cincinnati area. If you do have any questions or want to reach out to discuss purchasing a home in this area, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.